Unlocking the meaning of bolt end. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that might be a bit puzzling at first: bolt end. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it means and how to use it in various contexts. Before we fully grasp the phrase, let's break it down. Bolt. When we hear the word bolt, we might think of a flash of lightning or a fast sprint. However, in this context, a bolt refers to a large roll of fabric or cloth. This is the primary meaning we want to focus on for our phrase. End is a simpler term, referring to the last part or the termination point of something. So, when we combine these two terms, we might already have a guess about its meaning, right? Bolt end refers to the last piece or remnant of fabric on a bolt, or roll. Think of it as the final few yards or meters of fabric left on the roll in a store. These remnants are often sold at a discount because there might not be enough of the fabric left to complete larger projects. Here's a way to think about it. Imagine you're in a fabric store, and you see a roll of fabric almost used up, with just a bit left. That remaining piece? That's the bolt end. To make sure you understand how to use bolt end in a sentence, here are a few examples. 1. I found this beautiful pattern in the bolt end section and got it for half the price. 2. The dress was made from a bolt end, so it's unique and can't be replicated. 3. They usually sell bolt ends at a reduced rate since they're the last bits of fabric. And there you have it. Bolt end is a unique term that's specifically tied to the world of fabrics and sewing. So, the next time you're in a fabric store or talking about crafts, you'll know exactly what it means when someone mentions a bolt end. We hope this explanation has cleared things up for you. Keep learning and stay curious.